I decked out my e-bike and all the upgrades that I did to it. It's pretty rad. So, alright, so here we go. So, first thing we gotta do, turn the power on the bike. Okay. Hold that down so we got the backlight going. Then, we got the phone. Okay. Okay, with your GPS and everything else in, which is pretty neat. We got your side mirrors, all of this stuff. So that's that. And I've also did an addition of single lights. See? Single lights. So now I've got single lights on this side. I have to be on the inside to shut it off there. It's there, and I got these were backlights, but I turned them into a single light. See, they were backlights, but they're into a single light. And shut this off, and of course we've got the front lights, which are really bright. Then you got your single lights, like I said, if you need your single lights. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.